go.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, I like that
Yes.
one. It's kind of weird with it.
Crunchy.
Alright, cool. I feel a lot better. I was worried before I heard the samples. So let's track something. What if we track you on the samples?
Yeah,
And then I'll
let's do it.
sample it. Just to make it a little more original. So I'm gonna lay it out real quick. Put it on the grid. And then let him do her thing. This one's cool, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's a couple of them. Let's see. Oh, grand opening.
Yeah.
Maybe just like an intro.
Yeah.
It like has to be this big epic thing, like dramatic. This one?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. All right, we'll drop that one in, and then we'll.
I realized I could improvise after college, because I was like stuck by myself and had to make music by myself with like Logic, and that was the first time. And then I would just like drink a lot of wine and like record myself, and then wake up the next morning and be like, and now I can do it without the wine.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, that was dope. You want to come out and then we'll chop it up. All right. Print these two together, just so we can treat it like one sample and then still have them separate. I'm using Ableton, doing it all in the box right now. If need be, we'll export it to Reason just to get some chops.
People are comfortable with hearing it, but I like to hear what's in the headphones and what's happening in front of me at the same time.
That's best.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times I find people go flat when they hold both.
Covered.
Yeah.
So we could go down an octave with the music and then up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel like the sweet spot is right around 3 semitones up. Right? We think. It's gonna get weird. That's cool.
Could even take the first two.
Yeah, that's like that right there. And plus we still got the other two. So we'll maybe build one thing at a time. And
Is it all in the same key?
No.
Okay.
But we can just shift it all. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some as like a placeholder, and then we can swap them out. That makes it easy.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, that's easier.
This is the one that I fought, but you kept on keeping it up. I waited for you, I was just a rush. And lately I've been waiting for your touch. A second, a minute, a limit, what it is you wanna be.
That's a wrap, and shout out to AG and EB.
I'm closing the door now for good if you won't open